Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to make a prototype simulation model of a relay driver IC in which I'll show you how to connect different numbers of relays to the IC and then simulate it. So first of all we need to know something about this relay driver IC having model number ULN2003 and why are we using it. So it's very difficult sometimes to connect lots number of relay to a single supply. So we can use this IC there and we can give the supply of our will to the relay. Means sometimes we need to operate some equipment of 220 volts AC or 12 volt DC. So we can use different relays and give different supplies to them. So that's why we need to use this relay driver IC. So now coming to the working. So this is how it will work. This if we'll give high supply to this 7B, then this 7C will be high, and as you can see this it is connected to the relay. The one end of the relay energizing coil is connected to 10 and the other end is connected to the common point. At the common point we need to give the supply, means which is equal to the rating of the relay. Like if we are using a relay of 5 volts, then we need to give here 5 volts. And similarly if this one point is high, then 1B, then this 1C will be high, and these 2 points are connected to the relay, and this is also connected to the common supply. And if we'll turn this on, then this armature will be attracted to the normally open point and the circuit will be completed and will get the output. So now we will move to the simulation where you will better understand the working. Now first of all I'll add the elements. Battery, LED, logic toggle, relay, and then relay driver IC having model number ULN2003A. Now I'll make the connections. Now we'll set it to 5 volts. Because the supply which will give will be of 5 volts. And this common 9 will be given with 5 volts. Now I'll simulate this. By mistake I set the battery to 5 volts. We have to set the value of relay as 5 volts. And now I'll simulate this. So when I'll switch this toggle switch which is connected to 1, then this first LED D1 should glow, as 1C should be activated, and this relay RL1 should activate. Similarly, if I'll switch on toggle switch which is connected to 7 to high, then this 7C which is connected to pin number 10 should be high, and then this LED D2 should glow. So this is how, in the similar manner, we can connect relay to these points also, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, and similarly we can connect 8 relays. In this way we can connect as many number of relays as we want and give different supplies, as we can change the supplies here. I have connected 12 volt battery, we can connect anything else also. So this is how this relay driver IC works. So please like, subscribe and share for future updates.